been arrested from Uttar Pradesh's Etah district after his video of casting multiple votes to the Bharatiya Janata Party went viral. The state's chief election officer has issued orders to suspend all the members of the polling party from the station. In the 2-minute-long video, the individual identified as Rajan Singh was seen casting votes for the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate Mukesh Rajput at least 8 times on the electronic voting machine. Hello and welcome to More Tiranga, where we bring you the latest election updates. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. The video, which has been widely shared by the opposition leaders from the Congress and the Samajwadi Party on the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, has sparked outrage. Although we cannot independently verify the video's authenticity, let's first have a look at the video.
ये है नंबर दूसरा। ये है तीसरा नंबर, विवेक का है। ठीक है, मैं डाल रहा हूँ, वोट देख लो। तीसरा नंबर है। तीसरा 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 ठीक है। ये है चौथा नंबर। चौथा नंबर आ जाएगी। पांचवा बेटा, ये पांचवा देख लो। पांचवा है। पांचवा 5 वोट डाल चुका हूँ। छठवां लेके जा रहा हूँ और ये भी वोट पड़ेगा। छठवां भी वोट पड़ेगा। जी बिल्कुल, छठवां पड़ेगा। छठा वोट, छठा वोट, छठा। सातवां वोट, सातवां।
The state's chief election officer has ordered the suspension of all the members from the polling party involved at the station where the incident occurred. An FIR has been also lodged at the Naya Gaon police station based on the complaint by Assistant Returning Officer Prateek Tripathi. Rajan Singh faces serious charges under various sections of Indian Penal Code and the Representation of People Act. These include IPC Section 171F related to election offences and IPC Section 419 pertaining to cheating by personation, as well as Sections 128, 132, 136 and Representation of People Act, which covers voting secrecy and election fraud. The Chief Election Officer of Uttar Pradesh confirmed that cognizance of circulating video has been taken. The concerned district election officer has been directed to take prompt and effective action. The Election Commission has ordered the suspension of all the officials present at the polling booth, as well as the incident where it initiated disciplinary proceedings against them. The crackdown came soon after the Congress and the Samajwadi Party shared the video of incident on Twitter and sought action from the Election Commission of India. The post said, "Dear Election Commission, do you see this? One person is voting 8 times. It's time to wake up," said Congress on Twitter. The Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav also shared the video, sought action from the Election Commission. The post said, if the Election Commission feels this is wrong, they should certainly take some action. Otherwise, BJP booth committee is actually a loot committee, said Akhilesh Yadav on Twitter. Culprit arrested. Election officers present on the booth suspended. Is that all? And why is all this happening on the BJP-dominated states? First, it happened in Gujarat Dahod constituency, where a guy says the EVM machine belongs to his father and only BJP works in Gujarat. Now, this guy is casting multiple votes. What are your thoughts on all these incidents occurring in BJP-dominated states? That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.